Hello, welcome to Greek language course for beginners and tourists. I'm Irene Karagiorgos, your Greek teacher. I studied Greek literature and have specialized in teaching of Greek as a second language or as a foreign one. Having obtained experience in teaching Greek language and history by using new technologies, I decided to create an online Greek lessons tool so that anyone who wants to learn the Greek language can achieve this comfortable, flexible and free. The aim of this course is through these video lectures to be able to speak fluently and write in Greek in basic communicative situations. So then, if you love the Greek language, history, culture, want to learn the Greek way of thinking, wish or plan to visit Greece, but you don't want to spend hours learning about grammar rules and attending boring classes, here is the solution. Greek for Beginners online course. But let's start this lesson. By the end of this course, you will be able to know and write the letters of the Greek alphabet. Moreover, you will be taught on how to pronounce the letters. In this course, you will be taught how we can greet someone when we meet him for the first time and how to say goodbye, how to ask someone how are you, and how to reply in these questions in Greek. I hope you enjoy this lesson. It is in Greek language with Greek subtitles for your better familiarization with the language and better future understanding. Of course, there are English subtitles to understanding what I say. I hope you enjoy this. Have a nice lesson, good start, and welcome to Greece!